I needed Mark's expertise. And I didn't know it until I got to know him a little bit by opening the doors to my studio. Because I was scared. There was fear. Fear was, it was there. It was evident. Mark, again, came into my life, and there was a trust factor. I trusted Mark. And with that level of confidence, then what happens is success. And so in other words, he helped with strategies. He helped me create strategies. Number one was like purpose, giving me direction, and then actions. And, for me, some of those actions, again, I was kind of nervous. I was kind of scared, like, am I going to look good, not knowing, like, I had to handle my resume. And I was like, oh, no, this guy, he's a recruiter. He knows his stuff. He's going to get my resume, and he's just going to tear it apart. Well, Mark did not tear my resume apart. He gave me good, constructive information, advice on things to do with my resume. And I was scared. I was nervous. Am I going to present? Am I going to articulate? Well, that's what Mark's there to help me articulate, to help me to be able to present, But it doesn't matter to me anymore. I have the confidence that Mark helped me do the deep dive to get out. And with all that, what has happened is, like, opportunities have really, like, they just start to fall into my lap. So I'm so thankful for everything that Mark has provided in my life to help me progress and move to the place that I am. And that place, again, for me is like the confidence, the certainty, just knowing who I am, what I'm up to, and what I can bring back to the world. Give Mark a shot. He's incredible. He's done a wonderful job of helping me with my life, because I think the world of Mark. I think he's done a great job of helping give me the direction that I needed to take my life to a different level.